everybody, welcome to Vaanya Studio. Today I'm going to unbox Poopsie toy that the tooth fairy gave me. You heard me, tooth fairy. Because my tooth have fallen down. I had kept a card because I had lost this tooth. But now she has given me a Poopsie set. Amazingly amazing. I'm so happy. I always dreamed of having Poopsies. I have unboxed a little. I have Poopsie toys Tooth Fairy gave me. I have a grape juice bottle. It says here in the collectible that I have this. And this one has wings. What? No one else has wings. No one else has wings. And I got this beautiful purple cup. That means I may have purple slime. Unicorn blink. Now let's unbox this part. Carefully. Otherwise we'll miss some inches. Yeah. Oh, something is in there. Found something. What's this? Oh, it's from here. There we go. What else? Oh. Wow. So looks like we have, I know what this is. This is a spoon. Yep. This is unicorn food. See? Unicorn magic. Why is it upside down? What's this? I think it's a scent. Or a color. Or a magic thing. Yeah, it's a scent. Looks like a scent bottle. We'll make slime after school. I've organized my things so they won't get mixed and wow. I'm just like, what? Where is the unicorn glam? Where is this? So that was I organized it and I have everything prepared. First, I'll take my bottle. Second, I need 2 times 15 ml water. And 15 ml is written right here. Now we'll take 15 ml water. It's okay if it gets a lot. You can just pour it back in the glass. Now we have to put 5 drops of scent. It's glued in there very properly. There we go. I opened it. It looks like a unicorn horn. And it smells delicious. Now since it's off, we'll put 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Soda smell. I don't know actually. Mystery smell. Now let's put unicorn food. Now I have put in it all and it's been turning blue. Look! A lot. Now we'll just close it. Now let's shake it. Totally. And be careful, nothing should fall. We have to shake it for 1 minute and keep it aside for 20 minutes. I'll see you after 1 minute and 20 minutes. Bye! Now since 20 minutes and 1 minute shaking is done, we are going to mix it with the spoon thoroughly to see if there's any extra water. Well, I put it for extra time. That's okay. Let's see. Oh, there's no extra. I don't feel any water in here. No water. And look! It looks amazing. I don't know if I'm going to get unicorn crunch or unicorn powder or unicorn whatever thing it is or unicorn glitter. Wow! So stretchy. Now since I took out all the slime from the container and then put some unicorn magic and then hold, stretch, hold, stretch. Nothing is happening yet, but I'm pretty sure it'll come. Let's keep on doing. Oh, it's starting to get a nice glittery shade. Oh, so sticky. Look at my hands. But that's okay because that's how slime is. Actually, I've never touched slime. That's why I wanted Poopsies. Whoa. Looks great. And as you noticed, it actually got a little pearl shade on it. Now I'm going to put the unicorn bling. And look, it's so beautiful. Now I just have to press this on the slime. Wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it. Oh, whoopsies. I think we have to use the spoon for this. So now the unicorn bling is on. Look. Now we have to stretch forward. Oh, and it smells delicious. Oh, it's a little sticky. I may have put in too much water, but that's okay with me. Now I'm going to put the slime in this kitty because there's a small lid under. Let's open it. Oh. Now we'll put this slime inside. Wow! So first we made the slime, then we put it in the Poopsie, and it's so adorable. It has blue wings. Actually, two figurines have wings. Let me show you. This one has wings, the one I have, and this one has butterfly wings. I have angel wings, and plus, my doll is an angel. And you can hang it in your backpack anywhere you want, but somewhere which is not hard and easy to hang. I'll probably put it on my backpack when I go to regular classes. Then I can just take out slime, play a little, keep it back very quickly, and close it. Wow! And look at my hands! Well, maybe the front is very unclean, but look at here. The thing that I love about this doll, that she sort of looks rare because she has wings and this angel thing that they wear. And this keychain is so golden, and it has some small a decoration on it. It blends in here, and it also has a small horn on it. Like, wow, I just love it. And you can see the eyes are also sparkling with glitter. Wow. And the lips also have some glitter. And there's a small Poopsie ice cream here. Wow. I'll see you in another video now. For now, bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and slime on. And this doll also says bye-bye. I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.